I want to share something very real that I don't think we talk about enough. I kept eating for fat loss, even when the strategy needed to change. Not because fat loss wasn't still part of my goal, it was, but because the way I needed to pursue it had shifted. For a long time, eating less felt responsible. Appetite suppression felt like success. But being able to get by on less felt like control. And that approach works early on, but my body had changed. My needs changed too. I was leaner, and my metabolic health improved. Insulin was lower, but my eating behavior didn't change with it. I was still eating like someone in early fat loss phase. And that's when I started noticing some subtle signs. One of the first things that always shows up for me was my hair. My hair looked great until I started noticing more in the drain. Nothing dramatic, nothing alarming, just enough to get my attention. And that's often how the body speaks first, quietly. Along with that, I noticed lower energy, feeling colder than usual. My sleep wasn't quite as deep, and workouts felt a little flat. Food quality was excellent, no doubt about that. Nothing about the diet looked wrong. What was off was the mismatch. Fat loss was still a goal, but it couldn't be pursued in the same way I had been doing it up until at that point. The shift I needed to make was simple, but mentally hard. I needed to eat more. Specifically, here's what I needed to do: I increased fat intake, I increased total calories. I stopped treating appetite suppression as the win, especially on low carb or carnivore. Hunger can be very quiet, and it's easy to confuse not hungry with well fueled. They're not the same thing. Let me say that again. It's easy to confuse not hungry with well fueled. Once I made that adjustment, supporting energy while still allowing fat loss, those signals settled. This is something I see often in people who've made a lot of progress. The body changes faster than the mindset. So if you're still working towards fat loss, but something feels off, don't assume that you failed. Don't cut calories more. You may just need to change the strategy, not the goal. Listening differently is sometimes the most effective move you can make.